Good morning. Um, let's create this particular kind of design. So let's go there. I've already imported the background already. This was the main background I imported. Then I'll create. Let me close this one. Let me close that one. And I will create three shapes of same dimension. I'll create three shapes. So let's say this is it. Then I'll look for a color that is not in this background. So I'll use purple. But there's no purple color on the background. Yeah, because when we'll be removing the color, it will not affect the image, the background image. You understand? So I'll duplicate this. I'll duplicate it, bring it closer. I'll duplicate it again. I'll bring it closer. Just like this. Just like this. Then I'll use this relative position. I'll push it up in a way that to align this particular one. I don't know if you're seeing me. This particular one, yeah, that one that I ticked there, I'll use it. You understand? Then I'll touch the other one. See it aligning well, and I'll click it like this. Then center align it. You understand? And I'll merge all of them together, the background and those three shapes, not the sample, the background and the three shapes, and I'll merge it. Nice merged. I'll go to erase color. I'll use the color picker, then pick this purple, then press OK. You see what I'm doing? Can you see it? Then I'll go to my gallery. Before now, I've already removed the background of the bed. This is the bed. This is the bed. This is one I've removed. So you see what will happen. And as it's like this, I will just take it to the back. I'll position it. Well, just like this. I'll position it just like this. Then take it to the back. Can you see it? Then I'll lock it so that it will not move. And I will import the one that moved the background. Understand? Okay, what's the dimension of this one? I'm coming. The dimension of this one is 105 by 70. 105 by 70. So I'll go then bring this other one. This one. I'll not change anything, I'll just increase it to 105 by 70. 105. Okay, I'll use my hand and do that one. Yeah, so that is that. Then I'll clean this other part. Clean this other part. I'll clean this other part. So that's how I got it. Now lock it. Then if you want to now add shadows to it, like kind of a glass something to it, you use the inner shadow. No, you use shadow. Yeah, use shadow. So let me see white. Yeah, you just kind of play with the blur radius. Just play with the blur radius. Yeah, just something like that. Then that is all. That is all. Thank you.